Puzzle events, burning events, and race tournaments all going on right now on Rollercoin for the last few days of Season 15. Let's check them all out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so tons going on Rollercoin at the moment, so let's check out all the events. On my screen here, you can see my homepage of Rollercoin. You can see all my miners, all my racks here. You can also see that there is a race tournament going on at the moment, which just has shy of 1 day remaining. Also, under the event section here, we can see that there's a burning event and a puzzle event also going on at the same time. So let's kick off with the race tournament here, and you can see that for this race tournament you do need to gain burning points. So you do need to take part in the burning event for you to be able to qualify to be in the race tournament. As you can see, I am currently at level 24. Each one burning point will give you 1,000 points, and I've got 251,962 points. And like I said, I'm at position 24 with these prizes coming my way if I remain in this position for another 23 hours and 49 minutes. In first place, we've got Kakashi at the moment, and if Kakashi remains in the first position, then this roller will get American Spirit, which can't be sold, and that will give 7.7 petahash per second, and also 1000 RST and 10,000 TH or 10 petahash in temporary bonus power. In second place, we've got Scrap at the moment with the red space miner there up for grabs at 4.7 petahash. This also can't be sold, 900 RST and 5 petahash in temporary bonus power. And in third place, we've got Aerodox, and Aerodox can get the Web 4 map, which gives 3 petahash, just shy of 3 petahash, and also can't be sold with 5 petahash in temporary bonus power. So those are pretty much the first 3 main prizes that you can get in this race tournament. Again, one burning point will give you 1,000 points in the race tournament. So moving on to the burning event now, okay? So if you actually start burning here, I've already burnt over 250,000 points, and I've got another 104,000 points remaining there, and I'm currently burning at the moment. Each burn takes 2 hours, okay? So this is a good opportunity for you to get rid of the miners that you don't need in your inventory that are currently not even in your room, and you can burn those and get even more miners. The most powerful miner in the Invasion Ends Final Flames burning event is this one right here, which is 10 petahash, and it's called Signal Unknown. This can be sold. You can actually find this in the marketplace, so you can potentially buy another one and merge them together. Okay, so that will give you even more power and even more bonus power as well. You can get all of these rewards as you progress at the top. For 1,000 points, you'll start off with the target floof, and that will give you 56 terahash per second, and basically you'll build up to the Signal Unknown miner, which I have just shown you right now. Remember, it takes 2 hours for the burn to complete. Again, each and every point that you gain from the burn is going to go towards the race tournament at the moment. So 2 hours, you can speed that up by spending 2 RLT. As time goes down, so when it gets to 1 hour, it'll be 1 RLT. Okay, so the less the time is, the less you'll have to pay if you want to speed it up. As you can see, I've got loads of miners here. I've got 86 pages of them. Okay, so I just normally like to sort the points from high to low, see what I'm really not going to use. I've left some of them here because I might actually be merging some, so I've just left those there for now, just in case I want to merge them at a later stage. So that is pretty much the Invasion Ends Final Flames burning event. You've got all these rewards at the top, so you can potentially get better rewards and more powerful miners with more bonus power as well. So the burning event does have another 4 days, 23 hours and 45 minutes remaining, but like I said, the race tournament only has another day remaining. So 5 days versus 1 day, pretty much, okay? So the burning event will last longer, obviously, pretty much until the end of the season. Moving on to the puzzle event, which just actually started before I started recording this video. And here is the final battle puzzle event, okay? This has just shy of 4 days remaining at the time of recording this video. You can see all the tasks that you need to complete here. We'll go through them in a moment. And you can see all the rewards that you can earn by completing these tasks. So for each and every task that you complete, you'll be receiving a random piece here, a random reward from the puzzle, and you'll also go up in the progression bar here. For each 3 tasks that you complete, you will basically be getting another reward from the top here. Like, for example, the Ferris Wheel Master is the first one that you'll get at the top, and you can also reveal that piece here, so potentially you can merge that miner. Same for the Nirvana after you've got 6. Same for the Hamnamping. After you get 9, you can always merge these miners, okay? So these give you quite a significant amount of power. 7 petahash right there for that Hamnamping, okay, with 3% bonus attached to it. So quite a decent amount of power. Nirvana's at 1 petahash, okay, no percentage in bonus power, but if you've got 2 down here, you've got 1 up there, you can potentially merge 2 and get some bonus power there as well. There's also the Awaken here, there's 2 of those. You've got also temporary bonus power for a whole week, and that will give you 500 terahash for the entire week for each and every temporary bonus power that you will get. And you've got some more RST here so that you can spend before the season ends, and the season will end in around 5 days. So be sure to spend all of your RST before the season ends, because it will be wiped with the start of the new season. So this is definitely important. Be sure to spend all of your RST. The last miner here is also the same Hamnamping, but this is the uncommon version. I think the one here with 12 points is the normal version, the common version, and so is the one when you get 9 points. Between the 12 and the 16 there are 4 tasks that you need to complete and not 3 like all the others, but you'll get there if you manage to do all of the tasks in this list, which we are going to go through right now. So first one, exchange 3 RLT. You can exchange from your crypto. Be sure to take advantage of any offers that are going on, and you can see that at the moment there is 35% discount on Ethereum and 25% on Polygon. So be sure to leverage those discounts and convert your crypto from those cryptocurrencies to RLT, because you'll be spending less and you'll be getting more RLT for spending less of your crypto, and you'll be literally exchanging more, which will get you through that puzzle event even faster, because you'll be exchanging a higher amount of RLT for less crypto. Win 40 games, open 3 lucky cases, merge 250 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 60 games, open 12 lucky cases, exchange 34 RLT, win 80 games, open 34 lucky cases, exchange 72 RLT, win 120 games, and open 72 lucky cases, exchange 112 RLT, and win 150 games, and open 112 lucky cases. Those are the 16 tasks. If we complete all of them, then you'll get the most powerful miner here, which will give you a whopping 18.3 petahash per second with the Hamnamping uncommon version. Okay, so that is pretty much all the events going on at the moment. Besides these main events, let's call them main events, there is also the BTC $100,000 milestone sale, because Bitcoin did hit the $100,000 mark. Okay, that was actually 2 days ago or so when it did. But you can actually buy these packs with Bitcoin to celebrate, okay? So you can get the big BTC pack and you'll get this Satoshi Sentinel. It'll give you 5.5% in bonus power with 2.5 petahash power. You can also get the Satlux with that as well, which is the rare version. Same for the Satoshi Sentinel, rare versions here. And also 2.5 petahash in temporary bonus power for 28 days. And that is important to note as well, that these miners cannot be sold. Okay, so that's important. You can use this and get some nice powerful miners there as well. Going back to the home page, there are a couple of more events here. You can see that there is the reminder here that I just mentioned. 4 days, 17 hours and 40 minutes remaining to spend your RST before the season ends. A couple of 20% off discounts with the offer walls right there at the top going on at the moment as well. So in a nutshell, that is pretty much all of it, okay? All the events that are currently going on. I hope that you enjoyed this season, and I hope that you can make the most of the last few days of Season 15 Alien Invasion and get the most power that you can. And remember to spend that RST. I've got 12,375. I'm trying to get that 15,000 RST to try and get the miner, which is in the season store. I've already got 2 of them, plasma cores, and I'm going to try and get another one if I manage to make it in the 4 days remaining, 4 days plus remaining, okay? So that is pretty much it for this one. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.